Hello, in this video we are going to talk about the HMO 2024 digital oscilloscope. It's a 200 MHz, 2 gig Gsample, 4-channel scope. We've hooked up 4 probes, one standard probe, one differential probe, a multi-logic probe, and also a high voltage probe. But for now we're just going to look at channel 1, which has the square wave test signal of 1 kHz attached to it. Going over the controls real quick, we have the vertical section here, we have the trigger section, and we have the horizontal section. Up here we have the cursor menu section, analyzer, and general section. We have the signal, the test signal 1 kHz square wave connected to our probe on channel 1. And I press the auto set, but just to let you know how that looks, it just captures the signal and you can then fine adjust so it fills the screen out the way you want it to. And then we have the possibility of fine adjust here, so you can blow up the signal to fill as much as you want it to. There you go. It's already measuring the 1 kHz and the input voltage, but we also have some cursors we can use to help. They are now set to measure time, but you can see you can give them all kinds of functions. Select time, press this button, and now I have the possibility of moving this cursor back and forth. I want to put it on the falling edge of that square. And I'll change to the other cursor being active. I put that on the falling edge, and then I can measure the period or the frequency of the signal. I can also highlight them both, and now they follow like this. To further analyze around my trigger point in the middle, I have a zoom function down here in the time base, and there you have the zoom function. You can see some characteristics around the rising edge of the signal. We also have an FFT function under the analyzer function, which gives you a quick overview of the spectral components of the square wave. Switching that one off again. So that was the HMO 2024 4-channel digital oscilloscope. It's a very short presentation, but we have more information available online, so please feel free to download, and thank you very much for watching.